Once you are all done with your image generation and you are ready to download it as a digital file for use in a greeting card or another digital product, you are going to click the share button here. Then you can click on download. Under file type, you have several options. If you're going to be using this as a digital product or a digital photo or image, then you would use JPEG, PNG, or possibly SVG if you have a pro account so that you can vectorize it and use it for graphics and logos. I primarily just use PNG, which you can see as is the suggested download. Here you can also do a transparent background, which I don't need to, but that's again only with the Pro, but otherwise you can just download your PNG. If you had multiple pages here, so for example, if I wanted to go here and just add another page, you can see my cute little kittens here, then I would have two pages. And if you were to download it as a PNG, now you'll see when you click PNG, you have the option to select different pages. So you can save each page as its own PNG file. Or so, for example, if I only wanted page one, I would just select page one, click done, and then download. And as you can see, it is downloading my file to then be saved anywhere on my computer that I would like.